Make affiliate marketing easier with this advice. Have you ever had an issue, such as a health problem, that kept you up all night? How many hours did you spend searching on the internet for some quick remedy so you could fix it and get back to sleep? Thousands of people go through this every day, and they are just dying to find the affiliate product that really solves their problem. Promoting good, useful products you believe in sets you apart from the rest and will make your sales take off. This video will discuss many ways to increase your marketability. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. Define your goals before you start working if you want to achieve the best results. This is something all business owners have to do, and it doesn't change simply because your business operates online. Take your time and write down your goals and overall mission. Having something solid to aspire to will help you reach your destination. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. Focus on the sell-through, not just the number of clicks. Remember, affiliate marketing is not about the number of page views, it's about the number of people who follow through and buy. Just bringing someone to a page won't make you any money, so make sure the customer has a reason to want to buy what you are offering. There's no question that, if you hit on a true need, your affiliate products will sell like hotcakes. People are willing to pay for genuinely useful information. And promoting good, useful products already sets you apart from so many of the other people out there pushing junk. Use the advice, tips and ideas in this video to promote useful products you believe in and watch your sales take off. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.